Hey you guys, welcome back to SBE Aesthetics, you guys. It feel like it's been a minute, okay? So I'm just excited today. I'm gonna get right into this video because I really wanna share with you guys how to use this particular equipment that you should have in your solo esthetician business. If you are new here, welcome. And if you aren't and you've been here and you've been writing, welcome back. I am your licensed esthetician, professional makeup artist, and here on this channel, I show you beauty, lifestyle, entrepreneurship videos and all about being an esthetician, which helps benefit you to become a better grader. Yeah, so today I'm going to be talking about facial steamers. Why facial steamers are good, what brand facial steamer I have, how to put water in steamer, how to put herbs in the steamer, how to turn on and off the steamer, and how to clean the steamer. So we're going to be breaking all of that down in this video today. If you are a solo esthetician and you want to know more about how to operate a facial steamer or your facial steamer, this video is for you, you guys. Don't go nowhere. And although we might have different facial steamers, they pretty much do the same thing depending on what all your facial steamer comes with, right? So I really want to break this down because I know the facial steamer was a big thing for me. You know, it's a big part of our service and we need it. You know, it's vital for our solo esthetician business. Like this is just something we need. I'm gonna break it down today and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you got this far and you already like what you hear because you like, bring it. Give it a thumbs up, you guys. Subscribe today. I'm going to take you guys with me. I'm going to show you guys how to put water and stuff in there. After I'm done with my client service, I'll show you guys how to clean it up and stuff like that. It's been a week, so it's time for me to clean out the water and stuff. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Hey you guys, okay, so this is my steamer right here and I'm going to let you know what brand I have, what all comes with my steamer, and we're just gonna go from there. You guys might not see my face, but I will be explaining the steamer to you guys. Okay, so first thing first, the brand I have and where I purchased the steamer from is Skinact, and I really love it because it even comes with the loop light, as you can see right here. It comes with the loop light. You can turn the light on and off. You'll use this loop light to get a closer look at your client's face. So you'll go like this, look to make sure everything looks good. This is what you'll use too for extraction, so you can get a better look at what you're looking at. This is the ozone. If you want the ozone on or off, you just on, off, on, off. I'll show you how to turn the actual steamer on. You don't see it coming on because I don't have it on right now, but I want to break down what these are before I turn it around to the back. This right here is how long you want the steamer on. So this is the V lamp. This lets you know how long you want the steamer on for the duration of your facial service. The max it goes up to is 30 minutes. Now I'm going to turn this around. So this is the back part of the lamp. It comes, this whole piece, this whole facial steamer comes with two plugs, one for the loop and one for the steamer. Loop, steamer, two plugs. What you do is you turn on, see, off, down, on at the top. And that's how you do that. That's pretty much it for the back. And turn it back around. Now I usually put my water in before I turn it on, just so you guys know. So now that we have it on, let me show you this. So this is the arm. It doesn't go out this way horizontally, it just goes vertical, up, down. So I like it because when I'm at an angle with my clients, I can go as close or as back. And even the little head part, if you see, goes up, down, to the side. This goes to the side a little bit. So it's pretty cool. So this is where the steam comes out of. We want to turn it on. Once you turn it on, you'll hear this little tick, 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 tick. I don't really care for the tick sound, but it's there. I don't think you hear it during the steaming section because it's kind of loud anyway. You just let it build up from here. Let me put the water in there first. So you want to use any type of purified water. Do not use regular sink water. Why? Because your inside guts of this bad boy might rust it really bad. So you want to use the cleanest water possible in your machine, which is purified water. Okay, any water, no matter what brand. So this bad boy right here, this lid goes right here. It has like little warning signs. So it actually shows you and give you some type of instructions on how to use this. How I do is I make sure my hands is clean, which I'm about to go do right now because I've been touching on everything. And then I just take my finger and lift the tray up. See? take my finger and lift the tray up. You can lift it up with whatever you want. This is the tray. Now, inside the tray, there's another little tiny tray in here too. They got water, so I'm gonna just pour the water out back into there. Okay, you guys, so this is the tray that you put the herbs in. And then after you put the herbs in, you put it back into your plastic tray. So I'm gonna just demo it for you. I'm going to actually show you how it works. We wipe this. I got a little napkin just to wipe the water residue up. And sometimes when you use herbs, it does go down into your pot down here and kind of make your water look crazy. All right, so we're gonna go on ahead and use these herbs today, which really helps hydrate the skin, cleanse and hydrates the skin. Really good, I love it. And what I'm going to do is just take this little medicine cup jar and I'm just gonna go in with a little, just put a little bit in. So we're gonna put about that much into the jar. Okay, perfect, as you guys can see. So we do that, we put that in here like this. Don't just drop it in there, you gotta ease it in there like I did. See, you pull it out, you use your finger. You ease it in there using your finger. Try. Okay, now I'm going to put water inside of here. I'm gonna pull this back. They have lines to show you where to stop. And I'll zoom in so you guys can see, but right now I'm just gonna put water in. Like that. Okay, so we got it filled up to the max line. If you can see, it's kind of hard to see, but the max line is right here, and that's where you want to put your water. So you take your tray with your herbs inside of it, you put it back in the little slot, you put your lid back on, you turn it on, because we're ready to get this baby rolling. I put it all the way on 30 minutes. I like to, if my client is their appointment is about to start in 10 to 15 minutes, the best way to get this thing rolling, so right when they come in, the steam will be coming out, turn it on before your client show up. Therefore, when they're in your bed, ready to go, the steam, it'll take about 1 or 2 minutes to, maybe some seconds to turn on. So I like to get it started. What's gonna happen is, it's going to start to boil from the bottom. Okay, you guys, so as you can hear and see, it's starting to bubble up. Be careful with this. This gets really hot, so do not touch it. But it's boiling up. Once it starts to boil, the steam is going to come out, and I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Always keep your steam clean, your steamer clean. Wipe it down as much as you need to. Definitely after each service, wipe down with alcohol or disinfectant wipe. Make sure you sanitize and clean this bad boy. And how you know if you don't use your ozone, it says off. That's fine. You can use it off. You can also use it on. When you turn it on, that's when you get the most steam. And this is a very powerful steamer. So sometimes you have to lift it up because it might be too much for your clients. If that's the case, I like to just turn the ozone off and keep it at a slow pace. And one way to tell why it's boiling, just gonna know because you're gonna hear it. And then you're just gonna feel it like this. And when you feel the steam coming out, that's when you know that it's coming out. Then you adjust it. So here it is. You see? So that's what the steam looked like. I wonder if you guys can see. This is what the steam looked like without the ozone. If you put the ozone on, that's how much steam comes out. You see how much steam come out when you put that ozone on? You see how much of a difference that makes? It's beautiful, right? I know. Off, you only get a little steam, right? On, you get a lot of steam. So it's all about, your preference. And then I'm gonna turn it off, and then I'm gonna turn the timer off. When you turn the timer off, the entire steam comes off. This whole thing comes off. The modem is not off because you got to turn the modem off in the back. But when you're done with your service, you turn that timer off all the way to 0, it turns off. That is how this steamer works, you guys. This is a steamer where you can put your herbs during your facials. And one thing I really love about the herbs is that many herbs serve different purpose for the skin. Like the one that I have, it helps cleanse and hydrates the skin even more. And that's what I want, because extractions, you know, right after we're going to do extractions. So with the herbs plus the extractions, it's just clear out your client's skin even more because of the pores are open. So now you guys are probably wondering like, okay, so why should I get a facial steamer added with my service? Well, you guys, a facial steamer helps clear your pores. It helps with any buildup you have inside your pores, you guys. It serves so much. It helps loosen up the dirt that's inside our pores. It helps us get ready for extraction. So this is why steam is so good for the skin. We all could benefit from it at some point in our life. And so good skincare, I believe, starts with a facial and clearing out your pores. Because once you target your issue, then you can start targeting your concerns, right? You want to target the problem of your skin and then target the concerns of your skin. You can do both in the midst of a facial. For easier terms, what I like to do is target your skin type, what's going on with it now, and then target what you want done. And again, you can do that in one service or you can do it in both services, but start with one, start with what you're comfortable with, start with what you know as the solo esthetician, right? And so, as you become more hands-on, you guys are going to get it. You're going to rock it and you're going to get it, like, period. Okay, you guys, so I thought I was recording my voice and I wasn't, so I'm going to just voice over this piece of me showing you how to clean out your steamer. So right now I'm just explaining to you guys, I guess, how to clean out your facial steamer, but here we go. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I'm going to be twisting that gray knob down there to basically loosen up the bottom half so that I can pull the steamer out. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to pour out this water that you see here, and we're going to clean out the jar. So I'm now washing out the steamer jar and also the little plastic rim that goes on top of the jar. I'm going to wash that and sanitize that, and I'll be back with you guys. I'm using Dow soap to do that, and I'm going to use alcohol. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to clean the inside, basically the heater part. I want to clean that. I'm going to spray some alcohol on a paper towel to do that. You don't really want to spray directly on it. I wouldn't do it, but I mean, if you do, just be careful. But I went ahead and sprayed alcohol on the paper towel, and I'm just going to start to gently wipe off, but get a nice little firm scrub going on to get any buildup that has came from the water. So here I was explaining that in order to clean the part where the steam come out of, you would have to mix some distilled water or purified water, but preferably distilled water. You would have to mix that up with some white vinegar to clean. You could do like half, and you don't need that much distill. You could probably do, I'm showing you, like most of it needs to be water, add a little bit vinegar, let the steam go for like 5 minutes, and you'll be able to clean your steam pipe that way. I didn't have white vinegar at the spa to show you guys how this is done. So I'm explaining to you guys. Okay, so here I am screwing back on that jar. I'm going to tighten it up, make sure I got it in place. That completes it for how to clean your facial steamer. I'm sorry though, I wish I would have been able to speak on the camera, but hopefully you guys get the gist of it. I might even just strictly do a video where I just show you guys how to put that vinegar and water in and see how it's actually done. Just comment down below and let me know in the comment section if you do want me to do a quick video, and I will. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you thought this video was helpful and you learned some things. Please let me know down in the comments below if you are looking to get this type of facial steamer. I feel like this one probably was like $200 something, probably more, I don't know, 200 and something, and I got it from Skinact. Skinact is a website that sells esthetician equipment like bed, microdermabrasion machines, like they sell a lot of things. And I got this facial steamer from there and I like them. I really like the facial steamer, and it was kind of hard for me to find one that had herbs. So when I saw this one, I was like, I'm getting it. So yes, that's where I got my facial steamer from, and it's about 2 years old. I did have one prior to when I first started, but it broke down on me, and I got that one from Amazon, I think. So nothing's wrong with Amazon, but you know, just do your research. Search around for different companies that sell aesthetic equipment and supplies that you need, that your solo esthetician business need, you guys. Love you guys. I love y'all, and please, like I said, share this video. I'm on Instagram and Facebook. So I'll catch you guys back with another great video. Bye.